So this is what's in my fridge. I've only got a small under-counter fridge, which I absolutely hate. But I haven't got room for a fridge freezer. I did have one, but it's miles too big. This kitchen is small. Right, what have we got? Strawberries. Now, I've got cooking margarines back there because I bake cakes for family. I've got strawberries and my wholemeal bread, green beans and sugar snap peas. It's a salad bag. Lighter mature cheese and aubergine. I've got some bacon there. I've got my roasted red peppers, which are from Lidl's, that I use all the time. I've got a beetroot that I bought yesterday. Clover for my son. Ham. A pack of bacon. I've got a pack of chicken slices. Beef slices, sweet chili chicken, and another ham, cooked ham. Be good for you. Caesar salad dressing. A roast chicken, well, a fresh chicken for tomorrow. My quark. Big thing of mushrooms, that is a juice one. Clover again for my son because it's getting low. Big quark, which I got that from Home Bargains. Bargain at 99p. Cucumber, lettuce, bit of cabbage left over. In here we have some yogurts, a lazy garlic and chilli. That's my son's drink. Little squeezy pots of drink. I've got the seriously spreadable lighter cheese. A yogurt which I mixed some fruit in this morning. That one's been in here for a long time. I used to have that, but I haven't had that lately at all. Some Laughing Cow type Lidl's cheeses. Jar of beetroot because I love my beetroot. My red milk. There's some Be Good To You sausages that I've just taken out of the freezer. Some Frylight. Blue milk is my son's. And I think that's it. Mostly Slim and Well friendly, other than my son's bits. But that's what I've got in my fridge. And that's about all really. I'd love a bigger fridge, but I haven't got one.